Hello, today I will guide you on how to enable or disable the Task Manager in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Step 1, disable Task Manager, assess Taft. Open the Start menu, search for PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Copy and paste the command below into PowerShell, then press Enter. You should see the message the operation completed successfully. Close PowerShell and restart your computer. After restarting, Task Manager will be disabled. Step 2, enable Task Manager, reopen PowerShell as administrator as you did before. Copy and paste the following command and press Enter. Once again, you should see the operation completed successfully. After rebooting, you'll be able to use Task Manager again from the taskbar or search menu. And that's it. A simple way to enable or disable Task Manager. Hopefully this helped you out. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.